Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 31 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School. We had some after-school activities ongoing, and we also had our cheerleading tryouts, so congratulations to the new cheerleading team for next year. This week we do have several things ongoing. We do have exit interviews scheduled several days this week, and those are for 8th grade students. Several of them were completed last week, and students did a great job. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 2. On Tuesday is the final new teacher induction meeting for this year. It will be at Simons Middle School. On Wednesday, we will be having some vaping presentations in Unified Arts classes. On Thursday, and for the rest of the weekend, the volleyball team will be participating in the tournament that is at Nicholas County. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday as always. We do have an Impact PLC at Central Office starting at 12 o'clock. Kona Ice will also be visiting SMS on Friday, and we do have the SMS FFA banquet, which is from 6 to 8 on Friday. Just a couple other things that are upcoming. Parents, we do have the father-daughter dance scheduled for May the 14th. It's going to be from 6 to 8, and it's for any girl ages preschool through 8th grade. If you wish to pay through PayPal, you can do that by scanning that PayPal code. Also still open is the Ask the Principal link. You can scan that QR code that says Scan Me in the Connection. And this is a way for you to ask a question, shout out to a teacher, give some feedback about SMS. One other thing that is upcoming, an important deadline for this week, is Tuesday is the last day to turn in money for the Kings Island trip. All tickets for the 8th graders who are going on the 8th grade trip to Kings Island have to have their money turned in by Tuesday, because we do have to order the tickets for that event in advance. We do want to take a moment and shout out to Emma Spencer. She is this week's Student Spotlight. Emma is an 8th grade student and a Blue Barracuda team member here at SMS. And this week, Emma did her exit interview for the BPI process, and she did an amazing job. I was very impressed by her. She was personable. Her and I had a great conversation. She really enjoys music. She says that she hopes in her future that she would like to become a guitarist or maybe do something in editing. She is a really great personality. I have watched her bloom and change and grow so much as a student at Simons Middle School. And Emma, I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do as a Fleming County Panther. So good luck, and thank you for always bringing it. We do want to take a moment today and shout out to our Achieve 3000 leaderboard students from last week. Congratulations on Monday to Peyton Stewart, Tuesday Tatiana Pacina, Wednesday Avery Ishmael, Thursday Chloe Kahn, Friday Aubrey Jones. Our weekly top scorer was Tatiana Pacina, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Hanley High in grade 7 with 8 activities, and Tatiana Pacina in grade 8 with 16 activities. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.